Hello everyone. In this video, let's study Chapter 8 Functions. Before getting started, I have an announcement. Assignment number 4 due is extended to March 7, Friday night, because I have to set it up, my video recording environment to my laptop. First, I have brand new microphone. Okay, this one, that is new one, and another one is webcam, and I have to change my recording systems, everything. So let me know if you have anything else, video quality and audio quality, and also content quality. Okay, right. So I'm really be proud of you. You guys, you are studying on computer science and IT major, and there is actually study hard. Okay? Study hard, you guys. And I always say, done is better than perfection. Okay? Right. Let's jump into the function, chapter 8. Okay? Functions, content, modularity, and divide and conquer, and advantage of using function and without function, how to make. Okay? A kind of challenge. Defining function, how to define. Okay? And applying function to net new data, understanding void and value returning functions, and function arguments and parameters. Okay, that's gonna be set the type of a function, parameters and argument. Okay? When you say parameter and argument, it's almost the same meaning. Okay, so someone said parameter, someone said argument, mixed, blending, like that. So either way, either one, parameter or argument are all same meaning, actually. In the introduction to function, the understanding modularity, that means the function is actually a specific module. Okay, so modularity. We have modularity with using function actually. One module is one function actually. Okay, the car, for example, car, independent parts forming a complex system. Actually, car has typically how many parts? I heard 220, 220, 20,000 individual independent parts required to assemble the, the car actually. It depends on the car. So some car need more, but normally average a car need 20,000. Okay? Module part replaceable without affecting the whole. Okay? So replaceable, okay? Module is just a part of the whole thing. So you can replace. So some part is function need. This a function is not required in this, actually in this car or whatever and project, we can replace that function. Okay, so modularity, okay, modular part, the same concept is function. Okay, functionable. Okay, software development complexity, large code base. Actually, we have a target, a project target, but if someone or team make just one module to solve a very big project, we have to complete one procedure. But if we break down code into smaller segments and modularity, and so many modules in small part is combined together, and then make some big project. Okay, that means break down the code as much as small as possible. Okay, and then combining and complete our project, big project. Even though that is how much big, we can add one more, and some manage and massage, right? So we can make. That is best way to complete big project. Okay, if you want to make a big project, it's one time that has a highly scheduled. So you have to think partially and modularity into each module and combining and make two. So we live in currently AI technology actually. So we have to learn coding level, yes, mandatory, and then project design, and some project management level, and then also product level. We have to understand fully. Okay, so I will talk about that, how to develop our roles and responsibility. We are living in AI technology. Okay, so don't worry about that. Someone really worry about there's no more programmer required because of AI will be replaced. Okay? Yes, that is true, but we have to prepare our role and responsibility. How to contribute, how to survive in AI technology currently, right? So we have to understand the basic concept of program language, and then you have to advance, right? Okay, so modular part, and okay, this is important. Okay, software development complexity. So we have to solve and break down. So also project should be break, and then each team make their project, and then combining project manager and project leader, combining everything and then testing. Okay, that is a very efficient with the function. Okay, maintenance reusable, right, and problem solving the best way until now, right? And divide and conquer. That is a divide and conquer. So the big project, and then divide each function and separate, and then later everything combining and conclusion, right? If some part is not suitable, right, not related to our project, you can replace it very easily. Very small part, right? There is a module. So we can replace the module with another one, right? If you make one thing so big one, if you want to change it, you have to replace everything in your project. Okay, that is a different. The application in computer science, the key technique for complex issue, each part, and so the individual form efficient. So each part, partially, module, and save your time to make maintenance and upgrade and reusable for similar project if you have later next project. You can reuse your code. This is the confirmed already product, mass product level. There is everything is confirmed. Okay? Testing, algorithm, and any test is survive. That is confirmed. So we can use that code reuse to your future project. Right? And challenge without function. Challenges without. Yeah, that is a challenge without function. So if someone said you don't need to use function for your project, there is a so big challenge. Without function, you cannot complete your project, I believe. Okay? So repetition. So function, if you make a function like sum, you have input data and sum of input data and average and mean, median, largest, smallest number, something like that. If you made a function, reuse for that. Yeah? There is a concept actually object-oriented program. Right? So if you make object, then use the function, the object function, whenever you want in your class. Or the class defined, you can reuse. Otherwise, we have to repeat code, repeat and test again. So that makes you time consumption and spend time and cost increase and reliability is going down. Right? So we have to design like a code modularity and function by function. Right? So let's see advantage of using function. Redundancy, there is reduce of redundancy. Just write code once and then reuse. Okay, avoid the repetition. That means repetition makes you error. Okay, the error means in terms of error, syntax error, right? Your code error and algorithm error. The syntax is very clear. If you type something wrong or some out of bound, then it's easy to fix it. But algorithm error, design error, makes you fail, makes you sometimes. Okay? So you don't have any error. That means syntax is perfect, but nobody guarantee your algorithm, your process is perfect. Okay? So that's why the syntax is perfect. That's okay. That's good for you. But your algorithm produce output perfectly with all kinds of testing. Okay, that is so important. So much time need to testing. So quality assurance excuse me, quality assurance and quality check team so many times, so many cases required to test before mass product, okay? Before making release to the public, okay? Alright, so then function makes your program enhancing the maintenance, okay? Quality improve and organization is good and scalability and efficiency, right? There are so many advantages, okay, for using function, okay? So I strongly recommend you have to think function by function actually. If you think like object-oriented program, you may learn if you focus on the software engineering or computer science major or OP concept. OP concept is really, really important. Okay, okay? Reusable, efficiency, right? Efficient coding, save your time and reduce your error. Okay? Define a function in Python. Header line essential. Begin with the def, that is keyword. Okay? Definition. Right? Define the keyword. def, depth. Include function name, parameter ends with colon. Okay? That is a format, syntax. Okay? Function body, structure containing code, function test, multiple statements. Most important thing is indentation. Okay, indent. When your code includes in function, you have to make alignment indentation, same indentation. That means that same indentation included in your function. Okay, so I will show you how to make it very clearly. Okay, all right. And there is a function name a rule. Normally, programmers typically use start with underscore. That is a kind of professional name. Underscore and your name, digit or letter. But I recommend underscore first. Underscore meaningful name. Okay. Avoid using spaces and reserved word. Okay. You have to avoid reserved keyword kind of and space. If you use space, nobody knows there is space. Very first character. Okay. So descriptive and low vector name with underscore to enhance readability. Everybody notice, aware. Oh, okay, that is a variable. Okay, that is a variable. So that's why indicate underscore first. Okay, and indicate a private function with a leading underscore. Okay, so in OP it's a double underscore. That is private. That nobody can touch. Nobody can change. Okay, from outside. You make object and try to access that class. But if you define double underscore like init function, init, nobody can change the init. Okay, init functions. For example, avoid the confusing ambiguous name. Okay, Let's see defining functions. Okay, syntax of function definition. Okay, def function name, function underscore name, open parentheses, close parentheses, and colon. And then indentation statement. Okay, this is a defining function. Okay, so let me show you detail, real code. Okay, I'm gonna open Visual Studio Code. Okay, right, this is the C. I'm gonna open new one. Right, for example, I need to increase the font size. Need to change. There. I believe there is setting. Okay, font size over there. 24. It's much better, I believe. Okay. You can make like a df. Okay. Add underscore numbers and two parameters or two arguments like a and b and colon like that. Oops. Why this is and return. Okay, this is recommend. This function name recognized by AI, right? So this is recommend. Okay, return a plus b. This is add. If you see the name, excuse me, name of function, we can make sense, right? Add numbers, a, two parameters, two arguments, return a plus b. That is correct thinking, right? Okay, so and result, if you make some like a result, for example, a comma b, and print the variable result. Okay, you can check. Oops, this is okay result. Right, and save. Let's save it. Save as. Okay, over there. It's gonna be just add.py. Okay, and let's run it. Run Python code. Oops, 1 second. Run code. Okay, the result. Oh, result is 3. Okay, like that. If you change it like 7, and let's run. Run. Let's run. Oh, let's say control. Oops. Command S. Okay, save it and let's run. Okay, 9. I got a 9 because of 7 and 2 parameters. This is a calling function. Okay, add underscore number with 2 parameters, 2 arguments. Go there. Okay, A is 7 is 2. So 7 plus 2 return 9. Okay, this function. So this value is 9 assigned to value. So print 9. Okay. The function add underscore numbers function take two input A and B and return their sum. Okay. Instead of writing the addition logic repeatedly, you can just call this function. That is very simple, right? Without function, we have to value 7 and value 2, just add addition, right? 7 addition, 7 add 2, and store to the result to whatever variable, and then print something like that. So we use function that makes your code reliable and confidence and everything. Scalability and time, yeah, okay, everything is better. Okay, so function. Okay, let's see example. Def fun fun underscore function age and alias underscore is the 2 parameters. So this is what? This is a comment we use like a triple double quotation. Okay, enclosed one, print age and aliases for the user. This is comment. Okay, this is comment out. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay. df fun underscore function and parameter age alias underscore list. Okay, and semicolon. And print you are age is variable, so years old. Try not to think about it. Okay, and print again. Should I call you? Okay. I'm sorry. We just use for name. Name is just a variable in for, okay, for in alias list. Okay, so alias list. Okay, all right, alias list and print indentation. Whenever I use a function and then next line I add indentation. But if I use for loop, if this is special case, at that time I just one more indentation because this print function include in for loop. Okay, understand what I'm saying? Okay, so that's why print name should be indented in the for loop. Okay, So I want to add like that. Or that's it. Okay. And next to print is just print. So look at this one. The print, this print. Okay. Just okay. I made the function fun. Okay, fun underscore function with two parameters. Printing. Should I call you and follow name in alias underscore is. Okay. So we have to define alias underscore is over here below. df we need to use main. Main method is driving method. Okay. So I add indentation also. Pound key that also comment out. Okay. Set initial data values, money underscore age. This is variable name, right? 37. Okay, alias. Okay, now we define alias like money penny, and money maker. But textbook is like a Lico Shrub, Super Monty Llama. Okay, that is okay. I just change the string, the list. Okay, and calling fun function. Okay, fun function with parameter. Two parameters required. Right, money age, alias list. Okay, and then main calling the main function. Okay, let's look at it. After typing, after coding, just check your functions. Okay, function underscore fun underscore function and some contents in the function and the main. Okay, and the main and calling main. Okay, after typing, you have to get a habit. Okay, coding habit. Check everything. Okay, and then save. Save as it's gonna be what's the name? Just h.py, something like that. Okay, and save it. And let's run code. Okay, you're 37. Okay, years old. Try not to think about it. Should I call you money or money penny or money maker? Something like that. So over there, main, we declare money age 37 and alias list money penny, money maker, right? And then calling fun underscore function with two parameters. Two parameter declare previous calling the function, right? Two parameter and go this function with argument parameter. Age is 37, right? So just print you are 37 years old. Try not to think about it, right? And should I call you photo used? Okay, name. This is just variable for photo. Okay, is start from 0. Okay, in alias underscore list. That means how many list element? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times learn. Okay, actually name is start from 0, 0, 1, 2. 3 times 0, 1, 2. Okay, print name. What? Index 0. List index 0 is money. Index 1, money penny. Index 2, money maker. Most program. List starting from 0. Okay, array also starting from 0. So name start from 0, increase. How many? During 3 times. 0, 1, 2. Okay, and name. It's gonna be money, money penny, money maker, and print. Well, this print is just nothing, just empty. Okay, right? Why we print this one? To make sure. Okay, to make sure print. This print is in for, but this print is not included in for. Okay, just outside of for. If you add this part, looks like that. Let's learn what's going on. Okay, okay. Just blank line, line, right? There is blank, blank, blank. Money was blank, money penny is blank, right? That is the difference, right? So indentation is so important. So in for, if you indentate, this statement including for. So if you like change the indentation, reduce the indentation, this print is not including for. Okay, this one is including def fun underscore function like that. So make sure that indentation really important. All right. Right, let's go. So you understand the result. And void and value return function. Void function, value return function. Two types of function. Void function actually there is return value is null, nothing, none. Okay, value return something produced and return value to the who called this function. Okay, okay. Let's see the detail. Void function. So I increase the lecture. But void function is a function that perform an action but not return any value. That means just a print. That's it. There is no value, return value. Return value means return value to who is called, who called this function. Okay, function call, who did it? Okay, previous example. Let's see. This one. This is calling, right? Calling the function, right? So call this one. But there is no return, just a print. That's it, right? So this is a void function. Okay? And value return function. Okay? Something perform and then return value to the caller. Okay? Let's see. Detail. Void function first. Normally just print. Okay? Let me test code. Right. I'm gonna open interactive mode terminal. Python 3. df greet name. Okay. Oh, I just missing color. Okay. Yeah. It's commonly happen. Mistake. Okay. And then indentation, print, F, print open parentheses, F, F option, okay, hello, name, okay, and double quote, and close parentheses, okay, and calling the function, greet with the parameter is gonna be what? String, at least is string, okay, this is a string. Alright, so Alice string and calling. So this is calling with the Alice parameter over here. Name is over there. So we use brace. Name is parameter, right? This parameter, right? With brace and use F because of enclosed, right? With double quote. There is variable variable name is name, right? With enclosed, right? Enclosed brace, right? This variable used in the string function print. So we have to use F option, okay? F option, something like that. Okay, this function is there is no return, just a print. That's it. This is void return. No return function. Okay, void function. Okay, just read over that. And value return function. What kinds of? Okay, let's see. I just use sometimes interactive and sometimes Visual Studio Code, something like that. So there is no big difference. But if the code is longer, I just normally use Visual Studio Code. But it's just a short test like that. I just use terminal. Okay. Use def add a comma b colon return a plus b. Okay. So when we call the return value return function, we have to use variable because the return value should be stored in the variable. Okay. So variable name result can store return value. Okay. That's why we use variable to get a return value. Okay. Add 3, 5. Okay. So print result 8. Okay, result is 8. So this is a return value return function. Okay. So normally value return function we type keyword return. Okay, return. What return? The calculator a plus b. Okay, something like that. So we can make another example like def multiply like A, comma B, A, comma B, something like that. In colon. What should I like a times B, right? So polling result mul 10, comma 2 like that. So result, what is that? Update 20, 10 times 2 is gonna be 20, right? Okay, function arguments and parameter, right? So we can compare what is exactly named parameters versus argument. Parameter variable in function definition acting as a placeholder. Argument actually values passing during function call, right? So there is a definition actually, but when we use parameter argument, we just mix it. Okay. So all variable in functions, there is a parameter argument because of passing during the function call. There is argument. Yeah, there is the actual definition, but just mix it. The parameter, everybody understand. I just use passing when function call the parameter passing something argument passing we mix it. But example and definition parameters like a name and age function signatures and arguments such as the list and during function call. Okay. Differences and similarity. Parameter placeholder, argument real value. This is actually a definition, but